Being an obstetrician, most of the patients, उनका सबसे common question क्या होता है when they come to me, starting of the pregnancy हो, end of the pregnancy, wherever they come to me and they'll ask कि मेरा normal delivery होगा, cesarean होगा. Ma'am, this is like so common that private hospitals are doing cesareans most of the time intentionally. So I would like to talk about why cesarean is increasing, because most of the mother-in-laws rather are coming down with this question. So myself, Dr. Geeta Jain, obstetrician, gynecologist and IVF specialist at McCure Hospital. I would like to talk on this increasing trend of cesarean and why is it happening now. See, WHO, it has already told that it should be approximately 10 to 15% of the cases should be cesarean. But globally it has increased. सब countries में बढ़ गया है, India में भी बढ़ गया है. So there are many causes, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो इसके लिए responsible हैं. The first and foremost being कि late marriages हो रहे हैं. People are getting married late, conceiving late. Rather, बहुत सारे patients तो help लेते हैं to conceive. They undergo IVF, IUI, infertility treatments also. Now what happens is when they are in high maternal age, when they are in advanced maternal age, they have some complications like diabetes, hypertension, ये सब रहता है. Otherwise, due to the age also, they don't have that stamina to deliver normal. And what happens is they don't want to take any risk and they land up in cesarean in the end by their choice or with small complications. If the doctor is telling them to have a cesarean, they agree to it very easily. Moreover, important है कि people are not exercising that much. इंटेंशनल एक्सरसाइज की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज प्री-नेटल योगा आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा लोग बता रहे हैं, तो दैट शुड बी डन रादर. पुराने ज़माने में पेशेंट्स यूज्ड टू स्क्वैट, they used to use Indian toilets, they used to sit on the floor and cook, they used to sweep the floor sitting on the floor. That used to make the ligaments lax and it used to be more elastic. अब क्या हो गया है कि people are not doing that, so what happens is the ligaments are also taut. The pelvis also doesn't expand much, so the chances of normal delivery anyways go down और फिर उनको cesarean में land करना पड़ता है. And एक सबसे important बात ये है कि now what we have is हमारी ultrasound machines या दूसरे जो हमारी technologies हैं, they are so advanced, they catch small things. So if we see a cord around neck, हमारे को बेबी का दिखता है, हम मदर को बताते हैं कि there is a cord around neck and mothers tense about it because we have to tell them due to the fear of litigation and we have to obviously share everything with them. So whenever we tell them small complications also and we give them the option both ways because we have to, by law we have to tell them both the things. So they opt for cesarean because they don't want to take any kind of risk. एक और सबसे common चीज़ है कि maternal obesity बहुत common है and in addition to that because people are not taking healthy food, they are more prone to taking this protein powders and other artificial strengthening foods. So what happens is कि उन सब का बेबी वेट भी बढ़ जाता है. It used to be 2.5 to 2.75. Now the baby weight is usually more than 3.25. And this also causes cephalopelvic disproportion. The baby is not able to come down. And this also, these people land up in cesarean. During labor also, हम बहुत intensive monitoring of the heart करते हैं with all those CTG machines and everything. So what happens is छोटा जो heartbeat में dip भी होता है, that is monitored. And if we see that, obviously we are going to share with the patient again. So no one wants to take risk, neither the patient nor the doctors. So the patients land up in cesarean with that also. Now, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया था कि maternal age बढ़ रहा है because of late marriages and late conceptions. What happens is people are taking treatments for conception, right? They're taking IUI, IVF, उनको वो लेना पड़ता है and that results in multiple pregnancies. Twins हो जाते हैं, triplets हो जाते हैं and because of that again cesarean section के chances बढ़ जाते हैं. There is also a small reason, लोगों का control रहता है on their delivery date. Therefore they request for cesarean. We don't support that because without reason cesarean नहीं करना चाहिए. At McCure especially, what we have done is we have same packages for the normal natural birth as well as the cesarean so that बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं रहेगा कि फॉर द मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट्स विच पीपल हैव इट इन माइंड दैट वी आर डूइंग cesareans for the monetary benefit. And moreover, we do promote painless labor because we don't want patients to go for cesarean just due to the fear of labor pains. So dear moms to be, I would like to tell you कि cesarean जब indicated है तो definitely कराना चाहिए. And if it is not indicated due to the fear of pain or due to some other reasons, don't go for cesarean. Prefer natural vaginal birth. Thank you.